Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and that is the video of our rev battle between my car and my friend's car. So we pretty much have the same exact car. The only difference is the blow-off valve. Well, that's you know, a different thing, right? But we're not talking about that. But the difference is I have an AWE Touring exhaust and he has the MagnaFlow cutout. So I've never really talked about this in any of my videos, but before I had this AWE Touring exhaust, I did have a custom exhaust done on my car, which was the MagnaFlow cutout pipe. So as you can see, my AWE Touring exhaust, which is a full setup, a full exhaust setup, versus my friend's MagnaFlow cutout, he only has one. So that kind of makes it a little different, because when I had mine previously, I had both, right? So it's a little it's a little quieter, obviously, but it gives you the same results pretty much. Because when you put two, it gets loud. It just drones, you know, like the drone problem and back pressure, right? The loss of back pressure. But in my opinion, the AWE Touring exhaust, which is I think around $2,000, and that cutout is roughly, if you see it in US dollars, it would have been around $250. And in Canadian, it's like 300. So that's, you know, I mean, that's with installations and everything. In my opinion, it was the AWE Touring exhaust is so much louder in a way where it lets your car goes in a really like high pitched noise. If you go on like higher RPMs, it just goes like really loud, you know, like it keeps pushing. It gives it, like, it wants to go, like, it pushes to the limit. But if you have that, you know, straight pipe noise, it's just like, it's a really low, like, sound. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the video for today. I hope you do enjoy it. I did enjoy making the video, well, all that drifting and all that stuff. It was fun. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And if you do like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and you're very welcome to leave a comment and suggest me any kind of video that you would want me to make. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.